Hi guys, live on the Miss Supra page.
We are so ready. It's gonna be so pretty up there. You see that? I'm so excited. I mean, I cannot wait to get up there.
What's gonna happen today?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's so exciting.
lovely. This is on Supra page. Hello, Miss Albania.
Yeah, we are.
This is on Miss Supra page, the official page.
Say hello to all the fans from the Miss Supranational.
Lovely. Hello there, Miss France. Bonjour. Good.
We are going to
Yay. Ni hao.
Have you ever been on that?
China.
It's like
I haven't. I haven't gone.
so ready for it. You're gonna have so many.
Hola.
No, no.
I mean, it's nature. Yeah.
Okay, a little scared.
Hi, Miss Iceland. So, what's gonna happen today?
I don't know. Really.
But I hope we're gonna
But
try that
looks
out.
like we're going really high,
Mm-hmm.
which I'm excited about because I love a good view.
Yay!
And it's
Exciting.
Really, yeah, it's really exciting. It's really grassy, treey, and greeny.
Mhm.
In Iceland, we don't have a lot of trees, so I'm gonna enjoy walking all of this forest.
Really? In Iceland?
Yeah, no, we only have tiny little trees, and the ones that we planted in the island ourselves. But most
Okay.
of the mountains, the trees.
Nice. So enjoy the views, Miss Iceland. Hello, beauties. So, how's your day today, Miss England?
It's been amazing. I had so much fun on the photo shoot,
Uh-huh.
and it was a little bit of a rush when I got back. So I've thrown a dress on, and I had no idea we were coming here, but I am so excited to go up in the cable car. We do actually have in England, where I live, there is a beautiful little town called Iron Bridge, and they have a cable car, which
Cable cars. Whoa. Nice.
it's over a river there, but it's not over a hill. So I'm so excited to do this.
Okay, have fun. Oh, Canada. So how are you doing today, Miss Canada? Oh. So how about a shout out to all your supporters? We're live on the Miss Supra page.
Thank you so much for all of your support. I know a lot of you have been rooting for me for years now, so I really appreciate it. I see all of your comments.
Who needs to go to toilet?
And I really appreciate it. Thank you, and I'm so honored to be here representing Canada, and I hope I'm making you extremely proud.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone need to go to the toilet?
So, hi, beauty. I love your hair. How many minutes do you fix it?
It took 2 days.
2 days.
This is butterfly locks.
Uh-huh. Wow. Amazing. I love it.
Go to toilet?
Okay, so how's your day today, Miss Ghana?
My day was amazing. We had a wonderful shoot with it was supposed to be amazing. I can't wait for the pictures. I mean, she's such a good photographer. So I'm waiting for the pictures.
Lovely look. Very cultural. Can you showcase your outfit? Lovely. Thank you. Hola, Miss El Salvador. ¿Cómo estás?
Súper bien, gracias por estar siempre pendiente de la página y por siempre el apoyo. Las latinas necesitamos apoyo. Es que les digo.
How's your day today?
Pues hoy, para toda la gente que está hablando, que habla español y que está viendo el video, pues hoy vamos a subir allá.
Let's show them. Cable cars.
Yeah.
Are you afraid of heights?
No, but I'm so excited for this.
Oh. Oh, the high heels.
That's okay.
Okay.
Muchísimas gracias.
Have fun. Gracias. Hello again, Miss China. What do you do for fun, Miss China?
What do I do for fun? I love to dance.
Dance.
I love to dance. And right now, what I do is actually dance outside on the streets. I'm a street performer.
Really? Street dancing?
Street dancing right out in public, and all the proceeds go to charity to help with That's what I do in my free time. And maybe you'll see me in the talent competition, maybe.
Looking forward, Miss China. Sheshe.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Wa aini.
Well, I need you.
Hi, Natalia. Very beautiful. Lovely.
Sunglasses.
Yeah.
How are you today?
I am doing fine. Happy to see you again. I think so. Hi, Thomas. Hello, Miss Belgium. How are you?
I'm super fine. I love it out here. Poland is so beautiful. There's so much to see. Thank you very much. I'm so excited for everything.
Have fun. So we'll see. Miss Albania. Lovely.
You're making a vlog.
This is on the Miss Supra page, the official site.
So I'm going to post later on IGTV a post of all the day.
Okay. Invite everyone to follow you on your social media outlets.
Ines Kasemi is my name on social media. Ines. How you say it? I'm going to post it later at night so you can see all day what we did.
Okay, thank you. So the girls will be
Okay, girls, make it 2 lines, please. Like
2
With the
lines.
first, make 2 lines, and we are going in. 2 lines. Now you know what is 2 lines? Behind Natalia.
Have fun. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hey. So let's follow them.
Say hi.
Hello.
So what is your page?
Miss Supranational official page and Missology.
Okay, I'm going to check you.
Thank you. Hello, Miss Bahamas. How are you doing today? I'm perfectly fine. Thank you for asking. So, what do you do for fun?
For fun, well, as of late, I've been hanging out with my super sisters, namely my roommate who's standing right here.
Please drop it.
What happened?
There it is.
Oh, roomies.
But I'm excited for all of the connections that I've been able to make and just really share and create.
So sweet. Roommates since day one?
Yes.
Wow, inseparable.
Give it a moment.
Nice.
Nothing that speaks to the organization. There's quality in. I mean, we're different and we're from all over the world, so we're excited to be here.
Great. And Miss Haiti, what do you do for fun?
I do a lot. I enjoy cooking. I'm always cooking something new. Sometimes not many people like it because it's healthy. I eat very healthy. And I also do CrossFit. So
CrossFit.
I stopped right before going to Poland and anything that's nature and sports. Very adventurous. This activity should be exciting.
Nice. Are you afraid of heights? No.
I wanted to be a pilot.
Really?
You know that movie where I think it was Denzel Washington, he flipped the plane?
Mhm.
I wanted to be there. I don't
Oh.
think I will, but this is and you're not flipping it. I'm not flipping it.
Supra girls. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, were you? I was just
Hi. Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, mabuhay, Philippines. Are they awake this time? Yeah?
I think so. But this is on the Miss Supranational official page.
Okay. Hello everyone. Hola.
está súper hermosa, así que
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, have fun.